Sa para sports, after 8 editions of Philippine National Para Games, target naman ni Philippine Paralympic Committee at PhilSPADA President Mike Baredo na maisabatas ang pagsasagawa ng biennial national tournament para sa mga differently abled athletes. Yan ang ulat ni teammate Daryl Oclares.
Naging matagumpay ang pagbabalik ng Philippine National Para Games na 5 taong naudlot dahil na rin sa nagdaang COVID-19 pandemic. Aabot sa 1,000 para-atleta mula sa 72 local government units ang nagtagisan sa siyam na para sports. Ayon kay Philippine Paralympic Committee at PhilSPADA President Mike Baredo, plano pa nilang palakihin ang biennial national tournament para sa mga differently abled athletes.
9 sports, maybe next time we'll have 13, 14, or 15 to include more team sports and probably hit about 1,500 participants, athletes participating. So, napakasaya ko that we weathered the storm, so to speak, literally. At the same time, we found potential athletes that will probably be part of the national training pool and represent us in international competitions.
Hangad din ni Baredo na tuluyang maisabatas ang pagsasagawa ng Philippine National Para Games.
Sana matuloy nga yung pagpirma ni President Marcos Jr. yung batas na that will institutionalize the conduct of the national games to include the National Para Games.
Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.